again. Whew. It's been a while since I've been out to the park now. Getting behind on these things. Oh, wow. There's like a lot of weather coming in. I can see my viewfinder. It says it's not so glaring bright. It's about like 11 o'clock. It's overcast like this. It's a conspiracy chicken. It's blocking the path. You shall not pass. Oh yeah? I've been watching some of these local made videos on ghost hunting and stories, and one thing I found out apparently is that banyan trees like this one in the park, it's Kaimana Park, banyan trees are supposed to be hiding places for ghosts. So they hide in the banyan trees at night. They come out, I guess that's the whole thing. But I would say I think tons of these stories might be explained with the homeless being hanging out in places like this because they hide out for shelter until they're told to move away. But it is a thought. These are interesting roots, photogenic roots. Well, it's been kind of an exhausting week or so too, especially for my mom. I'm kind of worried about her. She's in the kind of this rehab for her so she can stand better with her leg, because she had a fall right after Labor Day at the end of the month last month, and right before that day her husband, which would be my father, passed away 9 years ago on the day. And because of that, and this Memorial Day, and then she had a fall, and then on that weekend, the witch is making a comeback in the way of many purchases on her Amazon account. So the witch's child was supposed to be having a first communion at one of the local Catholic churches, and that was a big deal for my mom. She couldn't make it because she had hurt her knee and leg because of a weak ankle. She was very distraught about it all. She was actually worried about it beforehand, which makes me question that fall. But ever since this christening of this child, in which the witch had her confirmation celebration at the same time, so they do a ceremony in church, and all the confirmation people went all the first, and no one could attend. Actually, no one wanted to except for my mom. But ever since the extra duty, because now I drive up there, drive back, all this other stuff, I run across the packages coming in from Amazon. Package after package. These are like $80 purchases, $50 purchases, like non-stop every day. So she's running through her bank account while she's laid up in a rehab center. This is horrible. So I'm spending a lot of time returning Amazon packages. Oh man, it's just deplorable. Right, little rice finches. Rice finches. Isn't it deplorable? Yeah, just talking it out. Oh, that's nice. Wind's coming up. It's like these blooms. Well, just sort of talking it out because I'm getting worn out. And all that massive dump with subscribers that I had. No phone call prank today. But massive dump with subscribers. I can't explain that, except I guess it's a political opinion thing. They sure showed me that they don't like whatever, I don't know. So I'm kind of all discouraged. It's like time to just take care of going for a walk. Uh-oh. Patrolling. Conspiracy chickens. What's up? Roosters are the first to run. Yeah. Just a windy day at the beach. Kind of wonder about the spook factor of this place. Man, it's been around since right after World War I. And, you know, the campfire story is that all the parks are haunted, mostly from activity happening by living human beings. And the occasional park murder kind of deal. And then, the spook haunted one Wuhani ghost. Oh, well, that was kind of a walk. I'm not sure how long it was because of the abundance of wind. Oh yeah, that's like just about a half-hour walk on. It's pretty long. Anyways, yeah, I just gotta watch out about getting bummed out. Subscribers going down. I think I got 1, so that kind of counterbalances 90 lost. I don't understand that. I really don't. I'm tempted to say the hex, but I don't want to attribute everything to that. So, but I do have to not be discouraged because there's a lot of bad influences starting to try to gather around my mom, and that's not good. But keep a cheerful time in your head or in your heart. Bye. Aloha.